Well, a couple more high-profile layoffs announced this week. PricewaterhouseCoopers laying off 1,800 employees. Xbox, Microsoft laying off 650 employees. The beat just keeps on going. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to be getting better as quickly as people were hoping that it would. And I've been on a mission to find out a way to help people where they never have to fear or stress about a layoff, potential layoff, ever again. My calling is to help people. I've done it my whole career. My career has been in the technology industry, helping people grow and advance in their career, so making a big contribution, a big impact on their lives. And I've seen firsthand what these layoffs have done to people that I know over the past several years. It's been extraordinarily hard on them and so many others. And so I've been looking for a way to help them never experience this again. And my wife's friend introduced me to this blueprint for setting up an online, fully automated business where by working just 2 hours a day, she made $14,000 in her first month, which I thought was pretty incredible. I thought, yeah, that would help out a lot of people that I know right now. So I looked into it, and it wasn't just a matter of building an online business. It's not MLM, I'll tell you that. There's no uplines, no downlines. You keep 100% of the profit of everything that you sell, which I'll get back to that because you're not really selling. Well, I'll just get into it now. You're not selling, you're not cold calling, you're not DMing, you're not cold emailing, you're not having to deal with rejection. Your customers come to you, and your system and your product sell themselves. On top of a product that's already in high demand and will help a lot of people, you, like myself, will learn high income, highly interesting skills like digital marketing. Forbes is ranking digital marketing as some of the, if not the top skill or skills to learn in 2024 and moving forward. So these are skills that I've known about and have wanted to learn anyway, and now I have, and I'm implementing them in this program. And then the group of people here that are here to help and support and mentor and coach are just phenomenal. They will bend over backwards to help you with whatever you may need, and that won't be a lot, because like I said, it's pretty much a business in a box that's set up for you 95% of the way. The rest, the other 5%, it's simple, step by step. It's just following simple directions. So I want to share this with you. If this will help you, which I really think it will, say yes in the comments, and I will be very happy, more than happy, to send you all the details.